Guys, what's up? It's your girl Samaya, also known as Slaymiyayt. And before we get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, and give me a little comment. Anyways, the first thing I'm doing is taking my hair out. This was like a flat twist out on blow dried hair because I was just bored. I didn't know what to do, so I'm like, oh, let me try this out. So now I'm just taking out the twist, making sure everything is, fluffed out evenly and all that good stuff. And this is the first part to you being a slay girl, a glow girl, all of that. Okay, so now I'm just doing my brows. I have a full brow tutorial. It'll be linked above on the screen and down in my description box, so make sure y'all go check that out. Here I'm doing them a little bit more natural than I was doing in the brow tutorial, and also I'm not doing it like perfect because I always go back and touch it up after foundation and stuff. But yeah, I'm just taking the LA Girl concealer in medium beige and cleaning up under my brows, and yeah. Okay, so I just put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids to prime them for the eyeshadow I'm about to do. And then I'm taking this white shade from out of this Beige Cosmetics palette. It's the Modern Neutrals, I believe. And yeah, I'm just going to put that shade all over my eye so that my eyeshadows can blend better. Now I'm taking this kind of burnt orange color and stamping it in my crease. This makes it easier for beginners to learn how to blend. So I just put it in my crease and then blend it out. Like, that's way easier than trying to decide how much color to put on there. So I'm just dragging that across my crease. Okay, so now I'm taking the shade right after it. It's just a little bit darker than the first one. Sorry y'all see my little brother in the back. He's so crazy. I'm doing the same thing, but instead I'm stamping it on the outside of my eye just to deepen the outer part of my eye. I don't know. I'm a beginner myself, so I just really try to add dimension and stuff like that to make it sound good. But honestly, you can really do what you want, but that's just the easiest way for me, and it looks pretty good, I must say so myself. Anyways, I'm putting some concealer on my eyes so that my lid color will show up more like intensely. And please don't come for me for this palette, okay? Y'all all got that dirty palette that just got makeup on it and stuff. Anyways, I'm taking this like shimmery bronze rose gold kind of color. This is my favorite color of all time, I think, at the moment. All time at the moment, LOL. But yeah, I really like that color. Now I'm just putting on these lashes. They're okay. Like, they're the Wispy lashes by Ardell. And, I wear these a lot, so they're cool, and I'm just putting them on. Sometimes I use tweezers, but, I don't have them since I'm at home from college. If you want to see my college experience, make sure you check out my other videos because I vlog. And, yeah, I'm just trying to get these babies on nice and good. Ooh, yes. Now I'm just putting on some Better Than Sex mascara. I do mascara afterwards because my eyelashes are already pretty like long and straight, and if I do it before, my eyelashes get in the way of the lashes and I can't put them on. So if you have longer lashes, it's a good trick to do mascara afterwards. So the foundation I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me in a color that's too dark, and this Clinique like tint type foundation in a color that's too light. So I'm just going to mix them together. I'm putting the darker color on the outside of my face and the lighter color on the inside of my face, and just using a brush that I sprayed with Badescu to blend it out. Okay, so Here I'm using the LA Girl concealer that I use to clean out my eyebrows in medium beige. And I'm just blending it out with a beauty blender that my mom got me for Christmas. Thank you, Mommy. But yeah, I love the beauty blender. Like, I have the Real Technique sponge and it's good too. But this one just feels a little more expensive. Maybe it's the extra $10 that's on it. I don't know. But I really like it. So I'm just blending that out. I'm using a darker LA Girl concealer to do my forehead because my forehead is naturally darker than the rest of my body, and I really like that about my face. So I'm just blending it out with a big brush and bringing it down to my cheeks because with the concealer, it moves a lot. So it moved down to my cheek without me having to, add extra concealer to my cheeks. Now I'm just setting my entire face with a big fluffy brush. If y'all know any good, like, not expensive powders, let me know because I need a new one. But yeah, I'm just fixing up my brows like I said I was and making sure that everything's good, setting this contour. And for that, I use the Black Radiance Contour Bronzer Palette. And now I'm just taking an eyeshadow, a warm color, and using it as a blush because, I don't have another blush. And here I'm just adding the color to my lower lash line so the eye can look a little bit complete. Now, in that same Black Radiance palette, I tried to use that highlight and I didn't like it. So I switched to the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray palette, and I just did too much. As you can see, like, I'm trying to be a glow girl, but I'm not trying to be a glow girl. I'm not trying to be a shiny girl. So I'm just spraying my face with a little bit of setting spray, putting a cute lippie on, and y'all, that is it. Okay, oh wait, no, it's not it. I'm doing my edges with the Olive Oil Sweet Almond Oil Edge Control, and that is it, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see you next time. Stop, you've been nasty. Go watch TV.